Hello my good people, welcome to our channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you are all good. To God be the glory. Yeah, this is Kamsi Space, where we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. Yeah guys, this video is a food recipe. I want to show you how to make local jollof rice. As a local woman I am, I want to show you how I enjoy my local rice. Yeah guys, if this is your first time in our channel, you are highly welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed, do consider to do so to support your sister. Yeah guys, if you really like what you're seeing, this local rice is delicious, yummy. If you really want to know how to do it, please watch this video to the end. It's very easy to prepare. If you have the ingredients in your kitchen, within 5 minutes, I'm telling you, you are done with it. Guys, try it. So let's get started. So what I'll be needing for this super tasty rice: red oil, ground pepper. In this pepper I put a crayfish, sliced onion and shombo curry. I use this type of curry. Onion, I've already diced it. Local based, they call it iru. Salt for taste. Cube spices. This beni and kitchen glory, vegetable ogo, scent leaf. I'm using red meat. I'm going to dice it. So let's get started. I have to wash the beef. So I've already washed it anyway. Have to dice it now. Put the oil, the raw oil in the pot. Allow it to heat for 2 minutes. You're not bleaching it, so just allow it to be hot a bit. Now the oil is hot a bit. Add the diced onion. Then add the diced meat. Remember, I didn't cook the meat. Then put small of your long cube. And the salt to taste. I'm using 2 spices, so I have to put 1 now. Stir it and allow it to fry for 10 minutes. You know, when you start getting the oozing aroma. Wow, the aroma of this is awesome. At this point, you add the grind combination of pepper, crayfish, and onion. So at this point, you have to add the spices. The remaining penny salt. Please be careful when you're putting the salt, the curry powder. Stir it very well and allow it for like 5 minutes to get everything properly mixed together. Yeah, this is what you get at this point. Now you have to add water. Add enough water to cook the rice. I'm already parboiled rice. Now allow the water to boil. Yeah, now introduce the parboiled rice into the pot. Allow it to boil for 15 minutes or when the rice gets soft. Yeah, the rice is soft at this point. Guys, I didn't use tomato for this. I used only pepper. Now this time you add the ugu leaf, vegetable. Remember, I'm using scent leaf as well. Add the scent leaf. Stir it very well. Yeah. Now allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Yeah, this recipe is a budget recipe. You don't have to spend so much. As you can see, I didn't use the tomato to make this rice. And you can serve this rice with any soft drink. Yeah, guys. The first time I cooked this meal, my family loved it. And I know they will enjoy it today. Please, if you really like our video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. And to our returning subscribers, oh my God, thank you all for your support. We really appreciate. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye.